Today, I'll walk you through our latest Google Sheets template, the Complete Social Media Planner. This new tool will monitor all your social media platforms, brand goals, finances, and content planning. This planner is intended for content creators and social media influencers who need a digital work hub where everything about their brand is easily accessed. First, I will give you an overview of the template and then explain how to use it. As usual, we start with the Customize page. Here you will tailor the template to your needs by filling in all the drop-down menus. On the next page, a simple dashboard will let us know if we have any posts planned for the day. We can also input some tasks, flagging them down as we complete them. Moving on, we have a Brand Hub page, and this is where you explain your business mission, goals and pillars, and select your platforms. Use this page as a reference and a guide to keep your content consistent with your brand message. The next page is dedicated to the hashtags. In this hashtag vault, you will write down all the most pertinent hashtags and keywords and divide them into groups. Next is the Content Planner page, complete with an interactive calendar. Whenever you plan a post and add a date, the content will automatically appear in the calendar at the end of the page. Just set the date and you'll be able to see all posts planned for the month. On the next page, I added a feature that allows you to see a single post and check its visuals, caption, and status. It is a handy tool if you have a lot of planned posts. You'll be able to see if there is anything amiss and correct it. And if you have many ideas that are still in development, the next page is perfect. The Idea Bank is meant for all the ideas and inspiration posts you will collect. It has a similar structure to the Content Planner, making it easy to copy and paste your ideas into the planner whenever you need to use them. Next, we have the Competitor Research page, a page you can use to collect all your competitors' information. When growing a business, it is crucial to know your competition, and this is the place to do so. Next is a page all about social media analytics. Here you will keep track of all your platform's key metrics. You can track the growth of your followers and engagement rate and see the annual overview in the graph above. The next page is the Finance Hub, where you will input all your monthly transactions regarding your brand. You have an income overview and an expense overview, making it very easy to see how much you earned and spent throughout the month. And finally, we have the Sponsors and Affiliates page. Here you will monitor all the active partnerships and sponsorships you have, the ones you desire and the archived ones. If you buy this template, you will also receive a blank copy of the content calendar and a blank copy of the Finance Hub, so you can easily duplicate the pages without erasing the formulas. Now that we've seen all the pages and what they're for, I will show you some examples. Let's go back to the first page. To customize your template, you will first add your handle and fill in all the drop-downs. You can also change the name of the first 3 columns of your content calendar. If you speak another language, for example, or want a different order, you can customize it here. Just check that the cell background is white. All the white cells are customizable. Once you fill in the pillars, goals, and format drop-downs, you will fill in the platforms and status. As you can see, you cannot change the name of these 2 columns, but you can customize the checkboxes on the content calendar page. I put some placeholder text. You can edit by deleting the text with the white background and inputting whatever you see fit. The checkboxes are a visual reference for tasks you perform while creating content. They will help you see if your content planning is complete or not. We finish our customization in the Finance section, where you can set your currency and add income and expense categories. We then move to the dashboard. As always, the only cells we will edit are the white ones. The rest of the page is automated. The dashboard contains a navigation menu and a mini calendar where today is always highlighted. It displays the number of posts planned for the day, and the tasks you can input in the To-Do section. This section can be personalized. You can input tasks you must accomplish today or this week and flag them down as you go. The progress bar will tell you how many tasks you've completed. I also left a space where you can put an image that represents your brand or yourself, so you can personalize your template even more. You click on the cell, go to Insert, Image, and then Insert Image in Cell. The little table below will show you the posts planned today. It will show you the idea, the type of content, the status, and the time. When you publish them, click the checkbox and you're done. Moving on to the Brand Hub, we have a page dedicated to your brand values, voice, and audience. You can add an image in this cell using the same method as the page before. This page is all about your brand identity. All the cells with a white background are editable. You will write down your mission, target audience, and pillars. In the platforms table, you can input your handle, your goal for each platform, and the best posting time. I also left some space if you want to add notes. At the end, the checkboxes remind you of the best day for posting on each platform. If you scroll down, you will see I left space for collecting your logos, selected fonts, and brand colors. We then move on to the hashtag vault. On the left, you have a table of 200 rows where you will write your favorite hashtags and keywords. If you repeat the same hashtag twice, the cell will turn red, letting you know you already used it. Write your hashtags without spaces. This will help you generate the hashtags in the copy and paste section of our content calendar. I'll show you in a moment. Once you've written all the hashtags, you can divide them into groups. Choose them from the drop-down or start writing them and the word will autocomplete. Again, if you use the same hashtag twice in the same group, it will turn red. If you scroll down, you will see a big cell filled with all the hashtags with the hashtag symbol in front of them. Copy and paste this cell elsewhere and have all your hashtags ready. Now we move on to the content calendar, the busiest page of our planner. This page collects your planned content across all platforms. It also contains an interactive calendar that will show you all your scheduled posts. There's space for 100 pieces of content, but I have provided you with a blank calendar to duplicate every time you run out of space. It's easier to start anew than to delete your content. Also, you won't risk deleting important formulas. Start planning by choosing a pillar, format, goal, and platform. Write down your idea and pick a date and a time for posting. Select the status and write the caption. Decide a call to action if you need one, and the hashtag group. As you can see, once you choose a group, the hashtags will automatically appear. You can copy and paste them elsewhere or move on to the next cell. Here you have the caption, call to action, and hashtags together, so you can copy and paste them. There's a space for some notes and your visuals, and you can also add an affiliate link. At the end, you can see the customizable checkboxes. They can represent tasks you perform before publishing. If you scroll right, you'll see the interactive calendar. In the white cell above, pick the starting date and the calendar will automatically adapt. I created 5 weeks worth of content. Each day can show up to 5 posts. If you plan on using the content calendar for more than 1 month, simply change the date at the beginning of the new month and the calendar will adapt accordingly. The next page is our post previewer, where we can see each post in depth. We see the visual, the caption, the call to action, and the hashtags. We can check the status, platform, format, pillars, and goal of each scheduled post. It is a quick preview. To use it, pick a number from this cell that refers back to the content calendar and check the post detail that will appear here. Next is the idea bank. We already explained how it works in the overview. It's quite simple. Use it to collect post ideas and inspirations from other creators. Whenever you use the one idea, check the box at the end and the whole row will get scratched. The competitor research page is pretty self-explanatory. This page will help you analyze your competition. You write down the name, URL, the strengths and weaknesses, what inspires you and what you can improve, all in a neat and easy to use table. The next page is our Platform Analytics app. The names of the platforms will be decided on the Customize page and appear at the top of each section. There's a section for every platform you input on the first page. On this page, you will collect all your platform's data. You start by writing your current followers and the number of you wish to achieve. The needed section will fill up automatically. In the table, you will input your followers, likes, and comments month by month, seeing the increase in the year. As you can see, the engagement rate is automatically calculated. The graph above will help you see the different metrics more clearly. You can pick one and watch the increment over the last months. The same goes for every single platform you use. We then move to the Finance Hub. This section will help you check your income and expenses month by month. You start by selecting a starting month in this cell. Then you will fill in all your income streams and expenses in the corresponding table. Pick the day of the transaction, write a description and select a category. Write down the amount and watch as the graph above starts working. As easy as that. The same goes for the expense table. Write down all your expenses and watch the graph tell you if you're over or below budget. On the left, two pie charts will break down all your income and expenses by category. It is easy to see what earns you the most money and what is your biggest expense category. And finally, the last page of our planner is dedicated to our sponsors and affiliates. It contains all paid partnerships, past, present, and future. It is very easy to use. Input the name of your partner, the type and status, and the link. Add a contact email if you need, and in the notes you can write your discount code. The drop-downs on this page are the only ones not filled in the Customize page. I made them simple and with limited options, but if you want different options and names, or you don't like the colors, for example, I'll show you how to change them. Click on one of the drop-downs and go to Insert, click on Drop-down, and a menu will appear. As you can see, it contains the options I chose. You can click Add another item or delete one of mine and write yours. You can change the color or delete it altogether. The same applies to the other drop-down. Click on it and go to Insert, Drop-down, and then click on the options you desire. Easy, right? That's it. The overview is now complete and you know how to use our latest content planner. You can change the order of the pages as you see fit, but keep in mind that the Customize page should always be first. Let us know what you think of this new marketing tool and if you like the template. I hope this content planner spreadsheet can help you achieve all your marketing goals and streamline your content creation process. Thank you so much for watching and happy planning!